any more glue on that. Yep, came right off. Not a fight.
I'm not doing this.
Who fighting? What discussion? What are we talking about?
She said I'm not allowed to have other friends.
What ya? Make her know say me come first. And say it just like that, so. Okay, girls. Girls pop it.
From work. Oh. I know, I still don't know how she ended up with you. How did that even happen?
Cause she a bad bitch.
Oh.
Want to try some vanilla ice cream? Thank you.
All right, thank you. Because as long as it's not chocolate.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah, no, okay. We're good. We're gonna food first and come back. It's our cup.
We're gonna grab a bottle. A bottle.
In the split.
It is peanut butter jelly top.
There's no cinnamon.
Cheers, bestie. I love you. Happy birthday. Now we can see it.
Oh, we're not.
We gotta do it again. Ready?
Step. Probably sexy.
I could plug in the video.
Yeah, it's real nice, real classical.
Yeah.
It's nice jazz music.
Honestly, you could probably just get that outside, love, to be real. That would be the biggest business card right.
Alright, she doesn't want to do the dance with me, so I'm gonna do it by myself. We got a little done. Done. You put on your battery rider? She don't want to put on her battery rider neither. She don't want to do the Dan Julio dance with me. And she don't want to put on her battery rider. Like, whole life or no life? What are we doing? I leave tomorrow. Come on. Sister girl. She put on her battery rider, guys. She put on the battery rider. Oh my god. Don't want to have more. Take that one day. I thought I was driving. I know my it's your birthday. Cheers. Okay. All right. Cheers. You gonna finish the whole thing? Oh God. Oh. Is this an añejo? Oh, that's why it's so smooth. Okay, we're about to leave, and I want to do a shot for the road. Because I'm not driving and I don't live here. Happy birthday, Reladria.
Happy birthday.
Birthday shots. We got the little dad. All right, here you go. Oh. Cheers. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
To being 40. And nothing to chase it with. Wow. Savage.
Wow.
I said cheers. Let's do the verse. Rock of ages, flip from me. You let me hide myself in thee.
Why have I turned my out like I'm a bad man? Happy birthday, bestie!
Thank you.
Wine bar.